Yep, Haley Silhacek, S-H-A-L-E-Y, S-I-L-H-A-C-E-K. So basically this week is a springtime party with Hy-Vee, and we partnered up with the Waterloo Fire Department. So we're doing a fundraiser to raise money for 10-year smoke alarms and carbon monoxide detectors. And so we're doing a fundraiser all week, some different events. So this is one event that we're doing, getting the fire department involved and the police fighters and everything like that. So we're trying to raise $5,000 for that event, and yeah, trying to win springtime party this year with Hy-Vee. Kind of do something fun for the community and get people out to enjoy some wings. Tomorrow we have a fundraiser, a Thursday night meal. We're doing a smoked pork chop dinner, and that's $7. And so Hy-Vee is donating $1 of every meal to the Waterloo Fire Department.
I know. It's part of the test. Come on, Chief. Come on, Dave. Come on, Dave. Let's go, Dave. Hi, Dave. You have to. Wire. To the wire. He's throwing in the towel. He's throwing in the towel. Rolly certified. Let's go, Pat! Come on, Pat! Get her down! Go, Greg! Why not? Go! Woo! Go! Don't miss it, Thompson. You gotta get dirty. Come on now, clean them up good. Hey, but you know what? If they take the championship,
good thing you guys walked today. Yeah. We're going to get. Go!
Get him! Get him! Do it! And then he's dealing with it. He may not even finish. All you gotta do is finish.
Nothing but wings right now.
All you gotta do is finish, man.